You clicked the right video because today we are sewing. Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome. My name is Brittany and I talk about sewing here on my channel. In today's video, we're going to be sewing. I am enjoying a nice slow sew day today. I'm going to be sewing the pleat top by Alamain in this video. I shared about this pattern as well as a few other indie patterns that I purchased in this video here. This is going to be more of a watch me sew, not a step-by-step sewing video, but definitely keep watching because I will be trying on the top as it's coming together. And I know that I've seen some reviews about the neckline, so if I have to make some adjustments, I will definitely be sharing them with you all here. I'm excited to make something new today to go with some other new things. We're gonna see if you all can figure it out. Do y'all notice anything different about me? You guessed it. I have on two different earrings. This one right here is my old faithful. I've been wearing this earring here for about 5 years. This earring is from Louisa, and thank you, Louisa, for sponsoring today's video. This has been my go-to. You all can look at all my pictures, all my videos, and see that this is the earring that I'm always wearing. But Louisa just gifted me a new pair, and it was right on time. Number one, I just celebrated my 19th year anniversary, so this felt like a double treat for me. But this one right here is so cute. I love the little ball that it has on the end, just to give the earring a little something special. If you don't know about Louisa, they are a jewelry brand that believes that jewelry can be, one, beautifully made, two, responsibly sourced, and also affordable. Their jewelry is cruelty free, so if that's something that you prioritize, you can feel comfortable shopping at Louisa for some jewelry pieces. I also like that you can easily stack the pieces. You can stack the rings, the necklaces, the bracelets, even the earrings can be stackable. So one day you can have one earring and the next day you can mix it up and add something to it and have something totally different. So I really do love not only the quality, but the options and the price. One thing that I really like about the brand is the pieces, they do hold up. Like I said, I've been wearing this for about 5 to 6 years and it still looks good. It's still my everyday piece that I like to just put on and go. For me, accessorizing the garments that I make, it can be really overwhelming because I get in my head on what looks good and what should I take off or what should I add. Having just some signature essential pieces, everyday pieces, really just make it easy for me. So go ahead and scan this QR code here on the screen or click the link down in the description box. Go ahead and shop and browse and find your own essential pieces on Louisa. I'm gonna go ahead and put on the other earring, lay out my fabric so that we can start sewing. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the pattern up for this top. Pull the instructions up for this top. They have a video tutorial, which is great. I got the 4 through 18 and I cut the 18 on that one, on that size chart. Let's do this. For fabric, I'm using this bolt here. I told you all in this video that this is a bolt of fabric that we had left over when we closed down Melanated Fabrics. It is a rayon. I was calling it khaki, but one of you all said taupe, and I like taupe a lot better. I have about maybe 15-ish yards on here. We made a maxi dress from it, so yeah, let's just see what else we can make from this top. That way, I've been holding on to this bolt for what, 4 years now? We should probably use it. And you all see this fabric coming off the bolt. No, I'm not pre-washing it, okay? I'm not pre-washing. I'm about to cut this fabric and make this top.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the Alamain Pleat top step by step. Easy and quick project that will allow beginners to make a cool summer top in just a few hours.
My pleats don't look right. My pleats don't look right. What is happening right now? This last one. Skips there. It skips there. That's where my confusion was happening at. It skips it. I missed an entire section here with this stitch. So, oh, let me check this one. Oh my gosh, I missed a section here too. Okay, let's go back over. Hopefully try to get exactly back on the line so it doesn't look too crazy. I still miss, like, at this point, I don't even want to stitch it again because it'll be like 18 stitches. I missed like a little piece here. I missed it. I don't want to keep putting all these stitches up here around the neckline. Like, and which one is this? It better not be the front. If I don't catch it this time, I'm gonna just slip stitch it. Okay, it's called Let Me Remove at least 2 of these. Cause yuck. Great, I don't even know which one to remove now. This is what it looks like. 18,000 stitches, y'all see it? At least 15, it's crazy. It's crazy. Let's try to do the back in one pass. Got it. Closed up the part that I missed the first time around. Did I cut the right size? Let me try it on out. Okay, I thought I was gonna have some gaping because people were having gaping, but I feel like we're good. Is the back gaping? Okay, let me just kind of slide the bra strap down a little bit. Okay, this is a size 18, so I definitely have some room here. That's the side slit, so we'll see. Well, that'll be kind of opening up along the side here once it's done, which is nice. It's not too high. It's not, too revealing. I like that a lot. But yeah, I think this is going to be a remake. I was really concerned about the neckline, friends, but ignore the wrinkles, but I feel like we're good. This is a drapier fabric. Imagine this in like maybe a poplin, something with a little bit more crisp. Little weight there. There's the pleats along the side. I'm very happy with this. Very happy. We're not even done. We're not even done. Very happy. I was concerned with the front gaping, but this is good. And again, here's the side view here. The back. I'm very, very pleased. I think this looks really good. New top, new earrings, get into it. Yeah. Okay, now that I know we're on a good track and this is gonna fit amazingly when I'm done, I can go ahead and just kind of roll through this. So let me get back started.
About 1 millimeter to remove the frame edge.
Wait. Hold up. Oh, I got scared for a second. I was like, wait, what did I do? But Francine. I was about to freak out. Oh my gosh. I was like, oh, no. I've been making really good progress. I have the hem done. I'm really happy with the way it's coming together. Looks really nice. The last thing to do is the sleeves. All right, it is 2:36 and I would normally be in the car pickup line right now, but our oldest son has my car and so he's gonna get the 2 little ones. So I was able to sew a little bit longer today and go ahead and get everything finished. I honestly didn't think I was gonna get through it because I normally don't sew and finish stuff the same day. I like to take breaks because I get tired and right now I'm tired. But I'm just kind of cleaning up the raw edges here. The top is done. The Alamain Pleat top is complete. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give her one final press. I could have probably got a little bit closer to this edge right here on the inside there. Could have probably got a little bit closer right there, but I didn't. So I'm gonna press it and then we will give it one more try on and then I will tell you all my review. Okay, here is the final top. Let me get in closer again so we can see the neck is still laying flat. The back. The side here with the pleat, very nice. Very nice. I didn't press that sleeve, that's okay though. Here's the back. Side, a little slit here, very nice. That asymmetrical hem, I love that so much. 10 out of 10. I would definitely recommend this pattern. I think it's fantastic. It's like an elevated t-shirt, which I love that. It just gives a little something special. The pleat, the hem, the slit, very nice. I also love all of the finishings that they added to it. So the French seam takes it up a notch. The mitered corner gives it a little something special. So they definitely added some nice finishing and construction details to really make it a nice, really special top. We have our new top. We have some new earrings. We have a new headscarf. It's giving brand new. I love that for me. If you like this top, definitely check the description box. I will have the pattern link below. Also, the sew along for it. Great. I really enjoyed it. It walked me straight through it. I didn't have any issues with it at all. So yeah, 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Well, that is all for the video, and I really do hope that you all enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below. Do not forget to click the link down in the description box and head on over to Ana Louisa to find your own everyday essential pieces. Like and comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Blessings, everyone. Bye.